Introducing Shrike AL320-S. Working area 315 millimeters by 250 millimeters. Z height 140 millimeters. T-slot, bed size 320 millimeters by 200 millimeters. Thickness 32 millimeters. Guide system LM rod 25 millimeters. Drive system rolled ball screws 25 millimeters. Drive motors 4.5 Newton-meter stepper motors. 2.2 kilowatts, water-cooled. Spindle 24,000 RPM. ER20 Colette. Rapid rate 8,000 millimeters per minute. Easy to operate in-house developed controller. Easy access to machine panel. Here we mount our workpiece with quick clamp technology. Metal chip tray for easy chip removal and a coolant tank. Quick fourth axis setup. Machine dimension 730 millimeters by 805 millimeters. Height 1,550 millimeters. Power requirement 3 kilowatts, single phase. Approx weight 185 kilograms.